Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sephora Play for January. So if you saw my past two Sephora Plays, you know I've not been super impressed with them. It might even be like past three. So this one is definitely on the chopping block. And I don't know what I'm getting in it. So Sephora Play is a $10 monthly subscription box. And it's a box where it's like Ipsy or Birchbox. You could get all different kinds of products. And you typically get 5 deluxe size samples and then 1 hair or perfume sample or something like that. A lot of the times I will know some of the products I'm getting, or I'll get it in the afternoon after I've already filmed, so I'll open it up and I try to figure out the value of everything in the box. Well, this one just came in the mail, so it is unopened, so this is going to be a surprise unboxing for the both of us. And I will, after I unbox it, I will figure out what all the prices are so I can come back and tell you the value of it. Today I am also going to show you what I got in my FabFitFun Edit Sales. Those things just came today as well, and quite frankly I don't have time to fit them in any other day, so I'm just going to throw them in this Sephora unboxing as well. So let's unbox this. I need to grab some scissors. So right now my 1-year anniversary giveaway is going on, so if you are new to my channel and you haven't got entered into that, I'm going to leave a link right up here where you can watch the video with all the products in it, and then I'll leave a link in the description box where you can get entered into that. So be sure to check that video out after you watch this unboxing video. Oh my gosh, I'm tearing this box apart. Alright, so let's see. This month's theme is Beauty Scope, your 2019 Beauty Scope. Let's see what Taurus is. Serenity does the body good for this Epicurean earth sign. You love soothing aromas and succulent flavors. Bring that calmness into your beauty routine with tea or latte that's infused with skin-loving ingredients. Well, okay, not going to look at that. It comes in this little plastic bag, Ziploc baggy thing here, so you can recycle it. And the first thing I have is a Beauty Blender Solid. Is this it, or is it? I think that's it. I thought maybe it was in a container, but I think it's just that. I have never tried this before, so I'm actually kind of excited to try this and see what it's like. I use a Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Oil Soap Bar to wash my brushes and my beauty blender, and I really like it. Charcoal infused soap that removes excess dirt, product, and oil from makeup tools. Well, I'm really excited to try that, and I will be figuring out what the value of this one is. Next in the bag, Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask, Jelly Pudding Mask. Okay, that is not a deluxe size sample, right? Am I right? Maybe that's my bonus one. All right, we've got a Drunk Elephant Whipped Cream Facial Moisturizer. This has got to be the smallest little thing ever. 0.17. Probably is a value of like $300. I'm kidding. Drunk Elephant is a little too pricey for my wallet, but that's exciting to try. I like trying products that I would never purchase because of their price. You know what I mean? Then we've got, Bite Beauty. Now, do I have this? Bite Beauty in Glacé. I'm going to have to look through my Bite Beauty sticks to see if I have that. And if I do, I will put it in a giveaway because I know I've got like 5 or 6 of these Bite Beauty sticks. But that is a really good sample to get in here. I love Bite Beauty lipsticks. I'm excited for that. And that is a crayon. Is that what it's called? A crayon? Lip crayon. Matte lip crayon. Oh, okay, so then we've got some, it's a shampoo and conditioner from this hair line, Marajo. So that means that this was one of my samples. This is so interesting. This says that these two have the same amount of product in it. Huh, 0.17. Good Genes, okay, so the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. So that's a good product to get too. Let's see how big it is. That's funny that they put it in here. 0.17 ounces. So there's that. So that's a couple uses. So I actually think that these are really good products to get in a Sephora Play box in terms of the quality of the product. The size is pretty small. Let me go ahead and figure out all the prices of these products, and then I'll be back to talk a little bit about the products and the pricing and what I think of the box overall. All right, back with some prices, and holy moly, like, why do these things cost so much? Okay, so we'll start with the Belief Truth Bomb. This one is, you can get 2.53 ounces for $34. So that actually is not a bad price, because typically like a 1.7 ounce would be around like $25, around that. Korean skincare is a lot cheaper than that. I don't think that's a bad price in terms of better quality skincare, higher end skincare. So this value is $2.28. And then we've got the Drunk Elephant Whipped Cream, 1.69 ounces is $60. So this value is $6. I'm really excited to try this though. 1.7 ounces of the Sunday Riley Lactic Acid Treatment is $158. Seriously? So this is a value of $15. It says it improves the appearance of fine line, dark spots, and wrinkles. I don't know anything about this. I haven't tried it. I have 2 of these samples now, so I'm going to be able to try it for a good amount of time. I am sure that it is good quality and that it works, but I know that I have got some gentle acid treatments that I use on my skin that don't cost that much and are effective. So I'm actually thinking, in the future I'm going to put together a skincare video on like these higher end products that I'm getting from my boxes, and then share with you the Korean skincare product that I would use in place of it, or that I do use in place of it. Most of them I probably have something that I use in place of it. And the turnaround in my skin over this past year that I've been using Korean skincare has been amazing. You guys, I'm like 53 years old, right? You can't even tell. I'm kidding, I'm 35, but almost 36. I'm all about saving money and sharing with you how I do it, so I think that's going to be a video coming up. Let's go ahead and move on. Oh, this is another one. 5 ounces of this cleaner is $45. My soap bar that I get, the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree soap bar, is like $7. I have been using that for 6 years, I think, cleaning my brushes with. The tea tree has antibacterial properties, so it's cleansing it, probably similar to the charcoal does in this product. And like, my brushes haven't fallen apart. They're all still in good quality. I use all the same brushes I've been using for years. I mean, with the exception of I purchased different ones that I want to try, but that's outrageous. So the price of this is valued at $4.75 for this little bit of cleaner here. So I guess we will have to see how miraculous this is if 5 ounces cost you $45. Doesn't that sound crazy? A soap bar. Do people buy this? And then the last thing we got in here was the Bite Beauty Lip Crayon. I think this is a really good sample for the Sephora box. And you know what else is all of our samples? I would call them higher end kind of samples. Typically we get a Sephora product in here as well, which I don't mind them. Sephora, I think, has really good lip products, but there's no Sephora products in here this month. So I looked this up. A 0.05 ounce is $24. This doesn't say how many ounces it is, but I picked up the Lippy Crayon from ColourPop, and this one is 0.3 something, 3.5 ounces. So I'm guessing this is maybe like 0.25, so maybe half of a full-size one. So we'll just call that $12. So overall, my box has a $40 value. I paid $10 for it. I absolutely think this box is worth it. Even though I would not pay these prices for these products, to be able to try them out, see what I think about them, and be able to share my opinions with you guys and be able to compare them to Korean skincare, I think this is a really good quality box for what I paid for it. So I knew that was going to happen. Every time a box is on the chopping block, they come back with a really good box the next month. So we'll have to see what's in February's box now. And then we did get the 50 Beauty Insider points. And then I have also heard that now for Sephora, just placed a Sephora order yesterday. I should have waited till today. You can now enter multiple codes. So I could enter this along with one of the free gift with purchase codes. So I think that's really cool because before you could either enter like your 20% off coupon, or you could enter one of the free gift with purchase codes, or you could enter the bonus Sephora points codes. And you could only enter one. Now you can enter multiple of different kinds of codes. So you can't get two of the deluxe size samples, but you could use your bonus points and get a deluxe size sample with your order from Sephora. So I greatly appreciate that. I think that's great that they changed that. This Sephora box, worth it. Moving on to My FabFitFun Edit. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. Tons of celebrities get them. Don't use their code, guys. Use a YouTuber code. They're making plenty of money. We don't really make money off of it, but I think if you get 3 referrals per box, then you get your next box free. I haven't got one free yet. So, you want to use my code, feel free. Anyways, so between boxes, they have an edit sale for members. So I think when you sign up for FabFitFun, you're a member. I'm not sure. I do the yearly subscription, so like I signed up for the full year because it was cheaper to sign up for a year than to get my boxes separately. Because I am trying not to add things to my collection, I did not purchase very much at all, and actually very little of it was makeup. So between boxes, so between the winter box and the spring box, or between spring and summer, they have what's called an edit sale. So they have lots of products that have been in past boxes, products from different partnerships that they have, and they are extremely discounted for members. So I don't buy anything from that unless it is at least around 70% off, and I need it. So I only got 7 things this time, and the first one are these earrings right here. I think they were like $5, and they're so cute. So I picked those up. For some reason, I felt like I needed to pick up this potpourri. It was, I don't know how much it was. It was at least 70% off, I think. And then I picked up this. I am so excited that this was in the box because I love a SPF setting spray. I used to use the Coola one, but I saw this in the FabFitFun Edit Sale, so I picked it up. And I think it was somewhere around $10. It's a Kate Somerville makeup setting spray with SPF 50. I love this to put on throughout the day so I don't have to reapply sunscreen to my face and mess up my makeup. So this is 3.4 ounces. I don't know what the retail value of this is, but it's Kate Somerville, so I'm sure it's a lot. Really excited about this find. I picked up I'm always on the hunt to try out a new liquid liner. So this is the Aesthetica liquid eyeliner in jet black. Let's see if it looks like it's a felt tip pen. So I'm excited to try out that. I think that was $7. Okay, the next 3 things I got are all workout things. So I work out with my kids like to work out with me. And I use sliders and resistance bands to work out, but the workout program I use only came with 1 set. So whenever I see stuff in FabFitFun, I try to grab it. So I think I've gotten 1 set of sliders so far, and I have 3 kiddos. So I picked up 2 more sets of sliders. They were $5 each. Such a great deal. And they have cute little sayings on it. So one set is blue, and it says be stronger than your excuses. And one set is pink, and it says soar today, strong tomorrow. So now I've got 4 sets of sliders, so I'm going to go on that. And then they also had the sets of resistance bands. So they're always taking my resistance bands. So now we have more to share. So that's the other product I got. I think those were also $5. So in all 7 products, it was a $40 total. So I thought that was a really good deal. That's my FabFitFun Edit Sale and my Sephora Play unboxing for January 2019. Let me know if you guys get Sephora Play, and I would love to know if you guys got a Sephora lip product in yours. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to enter the giveaway before you leave, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!